Hello guys! In this video, I cooked yose hotpot or YOSENABE. Yose comes from the word yuzeru, which means you can put in almost any kind of meat or vegetables that go well with a soup stock. So, can you guess what's inside this YOSENABE? This is the YOSENABE dashi. Ta-da! Detector, so can you see it? What's inside? Nani ga haiteru no kana?
これ割り下のスープ。
これが油揚げです。
なくなった
油揚げ。なんか fried tofu. This is mizuna. Chicken は
飯にかけた。
chicken wings.
だから
好きだから。
おばあちゃんとこ行く。
I like this one. This one, chicken. This is the soup. YOSENABE. どうでしょうか？美味しいです。And 白菜です。And of course the daikon or the call this radish. じゃあ教えます。Okay, I'll tell you the ingredients. We have the Chinese cabbage, radish, mizuna, mushrooms, shiitake, shimeji, enoki, negi, aburage, atsuage あるからなくてもいいんだけどあるから使います because we have available atsuage we use it and then the udon and we have the chicken and then chicken wings and also pork and also the tsumire is made of fish patties and you have the fish. Okay. いいよ。はい、しいたけです。しめじ、fish、えのき。水菜 second serving ねこれは second batch fish na got fish can you put the fish please so dashi if you run out of soup you can always add dashi so you have to prepare your dashi ahead okay いただきます chicken つみれ and so now I have this one and of course my favorites umeshu. This is omeshu, which I like very much. This is rock. Surigoma, ground sesame. It's delicious, yummy, and very healthy. Itadakimasu. Let's eat. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch my other videos. 付き合いいただきありがとうございました。またね。See you!